In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from DHgate. By the end, you'll feel confident going from finding a product to completing your purchase safely and smoothly. First, open your browser and go to dhgate.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that you see a secure connection in your address bar. The homepage highlights popular categories and promotions, but you can jump straight to what you need using the search bar at the top. Type in the product you're looking for and use clear keywords. If you have something specific in mind, add details like color, size, or material to narrow the results. Once the listings load, you can refine them with filters such as price range, shipping options, ratings, or brand keywords. Take a moment to scan photos and titles for items that match your criteria. When something catches your eye, click the listing to open the product page. Here's where you confirm the details, read the full description, check size charts if applicable, and look at all available photos. Scroll through buyer reviews and ratings to gauge quality and seller reliability. Also review shipping methods, estimated delivery times, and any return or warranty information displayed. If the product has variations like size or color, choose the correct options before moving on. When you're ready to proceed with that item, select the appropriate options and click Buy Now. This takes you directly to checkout for a quicker purchase. If you intend to keep browsing, you could add items to your cart instead, but for this walkthrough, we're using Buy Now so you can complete the order in one go. At checkout, enter your shipping address carefully. Include your street, unit, or apartment details if needed, city, state, or region, and accurate postal code. Double-check spelling and formatting so carriers can deliver without delays. Make sure this address matches how it appears with your local delivery service. Next, select your payment method. Common options include major cards and other secure online payment services, and availability can vary by region. Choose the method you're most comfortable with, verify the billing address if prompted, and review any taxes, shipping fees, or discounts before finalizing. If you have a valid promo code, apply it here to update the total. Finally, click Pay to submit your order. Your bank or payment provider may ask for a quick verification. Once it goes through, you should see an on-screen confirmation with your order details. Save that page or note your order number for reference. That's it. Your order is placed, and you're all set to wait for delivery.